Lesson 4 is going to be how to generate a chart. Now it's all well and good that we have good numerical data and it's been normalized and then converted into relative amounts here, as you can see, but for the purposes of comparison it's most easily done by generating a chart or a graph of some sort, which is reasonably easy to do here in Google Spreadsheet. So if we just highlight the data and these headings as well, no reason not to, we can insert chart. And we're given a lot of different possibilities. Well, this is pretty simple data, so might as well just set it up as a chart, as seen here, as a column graph, for example. And then we can customize this in different ways. Lots of different chart types that you have available to you. And customizing means to put in titles of different things. So in this case, we're going to have, say, relative growth due to light wavelengths. And we can change the size of that title and where it is and so forth, but that's not really important for us today. What does matter are a couple things. The axes should be labeled, and these are the different frequencies that were of light that were used in this experiment. And so I should label that. And usually you'd include, units of some sort, but this is not continuous data, so we don't need that in this case. And then the y-axis, we can just switch this to the left vertical, is obviously the relative growth. And that's in percentage, which does not have a unit. Now the last thing we'll want to do here, and this is going to be a little bit tricky, is to insert error bars. So if we take a look at the actual data, there are 3 of them, blue, green, and white, and we can insert custom error bars for each one. So over here, I can just say for the blue column, I'm going to put in a constant, a set error bar of a certain amount, and if I peek behind, I'll find that the standard deviation relative was 9%. So over here, I'll just put in 0.09. And then for the other 2, I'll put in, let's see, 0.19 and 0.17. So take a look. Again, a constant. And now we have standard deviation error bars for each of our data points.